Good morning, everybody. My name is Dr. Apurv Mehra, and I represent Team Conceptual Orthopedics here. Obviously the presentation is going to take time because it's heavily loaded, and with the years of experience. And so, if I have to summarize, and I can just show this slide and get away, this is history of conceptual orthopedics. It has everything in total, right? I think you should all clap for this. It took me quite a while to write this line, so. सर एक बार तो खड़े हो जाइए, सब आपको देख लें, आपका आशीर्वाद ले लें और आपके लिए ताली बजा दें ढंग से. With the agility of a youth, strength of a tiger, standing tall at the age of 92, Professor Dr. S.M. Toli sir. It's very simple line. हमें रास्तों की ज़रूरत नहीं है, हमें तुम्हारे कदमों के निशान मिल गए. So we just have to walk, and there are lots of problems which are supposed to be there if you're building something, but then there's a flash and you have an answer. So he is the person for that. So, एक बार ढंग से, I still remember.
Proud moment. Two lighting lamps are together.
Yeah. I'm going to ask you to stay because you will have people accompanying you, right? So, a lot of times we have seen that an organization, a team, if you want to do something good, you must get yourself educated. As Sir took a beautiful talk, if you want to do something bigger, develop a skill ahead of time. So, navigation, robotics is something that's ahead of time, right? But if you want to do something biggest the world has ever seen, build a team. That's what I believe, and I have been blessed since childhood to have wonderful family, friends, juniors, seniors, and teachers. And majority of the teachers are there in this hall, and if not, some are missing. They are online. The team is holding cameras to show. I chose ortho as a branch when I was an undergraduate at Maulana Azad Medical College, and I liked the way Professor Dr. Anil Dhal sir carried himself. मुझे उनका चलने की अदा, बात करने की अदा बड़ी इम्प्रेस करती थी. मैंने कहा ब्रांच यही ठीक है, ऐसा ही बनना है. बन नहीं पाए वैसे, बट ब्रांच यही ठीक है, ऐसा ही बनना है. The way he used to talk, the way he used to teach, the way he used to operate, we have seen it very closely, and I think I am one of the millions that he has inspired in Maulana Azad Medical College. And then handing over me from MAMC to UCMS to his senior and very close friend, Professor Dr. Sudhir Kumar sir, and Professor Dr. Anil sir, they had a unit, and I joined their unit in UCMS. And they are the two pillars, right, who've been thinking about day in, day out, how to build up programs. I just said that there are issues that come up and you need somebody to give a solution, and that's Dr. Bhasin for us. He will give a solution, a quick, simple, easy solution. I will request Dr. Dhal sir and Dr. Kumar sir to please come here and be along with Dr. Tuli sir here. And please welcome them with open hands. Vishal has been trained with Professor Shantaram Shetty sir and Dr. Ajit sir, and they have been holding front for Conceptual Orthopedics way in South, where the entire Tejaswini Hospital has been building the content of Conceptual Orthopedics. And I believe it is these two seniors, Dr. Shantaram Shetty sir and Dr. Ajit sir, who have been taking care of the hospital. All the clinical work, when the academic work is being taken care by Dr. Shailesh, by Dr. Fahim and Vishal at the earlier stage. Dr. Dimri, who's online, and he's there with Harry. He has not been here, but he has seen the entire course, and he has given his brain to CO and to this course. Dr. Dimri also has highest number of lectures along with Dr. Shailesh Pai in Conceptual Orthopedics. Right? We have been blessed to have teachers like Dr. Kakatkar sir, Dr. Mukund Lal sir, and Dr. Graichin, who are not hailing from the same place, but they have contributed to building up CO at different stages. Right? So I thought of CO in a room with Harpreet and Ashish in Kolkata, where I had gone to speak to Professor Kumar sir that we should build an online platform for postgraduates. And then I think the two teachers who actually made a big difference to building the content with the speed, apart from the seniors I've spoken about, is Dr. Shailesh Pai and Dr. Dimri, because they were doing lectures almost twice a week, right? And this is something we say that every platform, everything in the world needs people to do jobs which are thankless, just like a traffic police guy on the red light who takes care that there is no jam, there are no accidents, and they are people who are the backbone of an organization. And most of the good works are done by people who are not appreciated. And we've been very fortunate that we have got these pillars, Dr. Fahim, Dr. Vishal, Dr. Naufal and Rohit, to take care of Conceptual Orthopedics day in and day out, right? When we created Conceptual Orthopedics, we were very, very sure about one line, right? That we all cannot live forever. So the tagline, which unfortunately I wrote at that time without understanding the significance of it, was, the aim is not to live forever, the aim is to create something can. And we lost 3 brilliant academicians and clinicians and human beings during the course of last 5 years, right? We lost Dr. Shekhar Agarwal sir, who open-heartedly contributed to building the arthroplasty content. He was the first one to record the entire knee and hip course. His lectures are still preserved there for all the postgraduates, everybody to see his journey. It's about 7 hours of content there. Then we have Professor Dr. Gopa Kumar sir, who's about 700 lectures on pediatric orthopedics are there in the app. And then Mrinal, we lost a very close friend last month. It's a shock, you know. And life is cruel, but the only thing I can say is maybe God needs good people above. So there's nothing that can satisfy me. But this guy, when we wanted to build up content during the COVID, he would come in his car to the studio, taking all the risk, and said, "Apurv, don't worry, मैं record करता हूँ, क्या चाहिए बता." And he was a gem, and he's always been contributing. And he was supposed to be here today, but that's how life is, you know. About building this place. Again, there are people who have contributed, and there will be repetitions. These 3 are instrumental to every suggestion, every pillar that you see. Dr. Kumar sir, Dr. Dhal sir, and Dr. Bhasin sir. Without their inputs, this building, even the mics were selected by Dr. Dhal, the screens were selected by him. He said, 2 mic एक साथ चलेंगे, screen ऐसे दिखेगी, pillar पे किस angle पे जो है हमारी screens लगेंगी. They have thought about every possible thing that you can think about here. Not only this room, the entire building. My Mama ji and my Chacha ji, again, they have worked tirelessly to build this place, and they have dedicatedly devoted their time. And Mr. Ritesh Kapoor is here. He is now full time to take care of this place. There are about 800 doctors who come here and study on the first floor in the auditorium. About 450 doctors from all over the country. They stay here from 7 a.m. in the morning till 9 p.m. and they have their meals and they study in the library and the sections. And they're being taken care by the entire team of the Vidya Jeevan here, right? And you know, during the course, these 2 individuals made this place very popular. Zainab is right now the most popular teacher and the most dedicated teacher we have in the country. And you know what we could have done in 10 years to make Vidya Jeevan popular, she did it in 3 months. We had about 3,000 medical students coming to this place over the last 5 to 6 months. And it's because of her popularity. She teaches 19 subjects. Not only that, we are doing Conceptual Orthopedics with 65 educators with 300 contributors across the globe. She's doing it with 10 more teachers alone. And what we could do in 5 years, she did it in 1 year. So she's there. Zainab is there. Zainab, you can come here. Please be here. Right. And Ravi and Zainab are from the same batch. And Ravi is a neurosurgeon. Please come here. And he could not be here, but I can tell you one thing. His contribution to this organization, to this place, is nothing less than all the people standing here. So Ravi, को ये video दिखा देना. About the course, you know. आप सोच सकते हैं, आप कुछ भी सोच सकते हैं, it's your choice. But उसको पूरा करने के लिए आपको ठीक लोग चाहिए होते हैं. And they are the guys who have worked for building up this course. They have applied their brain, their heart to it. Dr. Dimri sir, Dr. Harpreet, Dr. Ashish and Dr. Vishal. They are all here. Dr. Dimri would be there in the basic courses in the future. He's right now conducting a course in UK, so he will not be possibly here. And then, you know, whatever I have done in my life, I have been blessed with the blessings of Professor Dr. Anil Arora sir, right from starting my orthopedic journey, moving from government setup to private, and continuing working with him. It's been so many years. It's been 21st year of working together with him. So, right, he is always blessed. My clinic was inaugurated by him. He was here with the inauguration of this building, and today the course also has been inaugurated by him. So, sir, आइए sir. Right, and as sir mentioned that Dr. Greichen was there when computer navigation was there at Max, and he was also the one with whom I went and learned in Germany when he was doing navigation way back in 2016 starting, so it's almost 10 years. Sir, please come. We have Dr. Ajit sir. We have mentioned about him. Sir, आपको आना ही पड़ेगा. Sir, he's almost, Arora sir, he's almost your age. And yeah, he looks like that. And then as sir mentioned, right, ताली बजा दो ढंग से, fitness पे भी बननी चाहिए. And then we have Dr. Unmesh Mahajan sir, as mentioned. By chance, I also went to him to see how he operates and the units. So please come. And when we started planning this conference, this course, we'll call it as a course. Sir had done 3,000 robotic knee replacement, but by the time the course has started, I think he's reached 5,000. Now he's at 5,000. So it's in the span of this. And then, there are teachers who have traveled, left their family here to understand the significance of this course. Education is the most powerful tool that can change the world. This is what Nelson Mandela said. And the line that Professor Tuli sir gave us when me and Dr. Kumar went to his house, who said कि we want to build up conceptual orthopedics, was very simple. The learning never ends. आप इस लाइन को कहीं पे भी लगा दीजिए, आपके घर में भी शांति रहेगी, organization में भी रहेगी, right? And this is what we have been running this organization with, and these faculties are here with us today. Dr. Ashish Shah sir, please come here, sir. Please welcome all of them. They have come here. Dr. Urumugam sir, please come. Dr. Gaurav sir, please come. Dr. Prakash Patil sir, please come. And Dr. Sunil Das sir, please come. Right? So obviously, and then the three guys who are going to run the show for 3 days, for these 2 days, Dr. Harpreet Singh, Dr. Ashish Taneja, and Dr. Vishal. Please come. Aye. Aja Hari, come. So I think you can take a good click of all the teachers here together.